Hello, class. I'm tutor. My name is Omar Trena Calderon. I study year administration. Uh, I chose what to do in Cartagena. Uh, I change in a section to show you beautiful in visit Cartagena. Uh, for things to do Cartagena. Bueno, you should all around the owl city and enjoy is colorful streets and colonial architecture. Uh, you can visit the Castillo San Felipe de Barajas and learn about its amazing history. You must relax Boca Grande beach and try delish local food like seafood and coconut rice. You can about to raise Rosario Islands to this is clear out there coral coral reef. Perfect. You can they about tour to Rosario y Isla, ¿no? Y como conclusión, Cartagena is in of the most beautiful casting cities. Jan Hoover seen visit. This is you feel happy results and for your energy. That's I really recommend everyone to visit Cartagena. Thank you very much.